would train, but right now it's 12, probably 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's midnight. Look at this, is a midnight. So I probably have to go to the washroom. Yeah. So let's go. Probably will be get ready till 7 o'clock, and then from 7 to 7:45 we're going to do the trading study. It is what. Hey there, good morning. Good morning, boys. So pretty off. This is god off. I'm heading towards to bring them fucking milk. But guess what? The I woke up exactly at time, like 6 o'clock. But while getting ready, I just it just got so late by getting ready. Right now it's 7:30, which completely I'm half an hour late, and yeah, just after 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes we're gonna have to leave for it. Look at this. I'm driving this. I can shoot like this, but the voice will be pretty much 90% air. That is the reason if I can shoot like this, that will be my voice will be pretty much 60% my voice and 20% air. No, 40% air. So yeah, I yesterday I only started that $100 to $1,000,000 flipping challenge, where I will be understanding the pretty much every single thing about the actual working of the strategy, which I need to the day trading thing. I need of probably yeah. So let's just keep it on, and yeah, that's all, brother. Anything I wanted to tell you? Yeah, I'm going to go for the other location today. I mean, what the fuck is going on? Just because of training of the job, they are telling me to meet one person, which is in other location, which is a full waste of petrol. Okay, signing off. I hate the motherfucking job. That is the only reason. It's just not worth of time. Let's come. Oh, holy shit! Do you even see what is where it is? How we can park? How far? Oh, I Mac brought them. I need to turn on the hotspot. Yeah, done. So get this. Only 5 minutes. I got a lot of time got wasted. Yeah. Damn. So I still having waiting. Is the correct thing or not? That is rather than stopping the lectures. I will watch the lecture. Signing off. We are heading towards the job that we fucking hate the most, and guess the fucking what? Um, Nothing to guess, man. Still, we are fucking broke. We are didn't got rich. Today is Sunday. Sunday. I should be working on my goals, but right now I have to motherfucking go to the bullshit working job. Man, this thing is going to get changed. I have 1000% guarantee on this. Just see me. Hi there. So look at this. I am right now heading towards home. The job is done, and damn, I'm feeling like I'm wasting my time a lot. Like a lot. I should be working on the trading thing all the fucking time. But now it is a real life, brother. So we can't just do anything what we want. So now after we head, like I'm about to reach. After we go home, we are going to do the trading study all day. Yesterday my time for doing the trading study was almost 12 hours. Do you even imagine sitting 12 hours at the same place and watching, like doing the same exact thing, that is the candlestick and trading thing? No one, most of the people don't do this. I reach. Chalo. Hello and welcome back, guys. We are back. Ew. Pusal, Farsha Pusal. So look at this. Let's start the trading lecture. Yeah, song I tried to play, but it haven't because of the let's start the हो लावतो मशीन ना मी ना अर्धा तासानंतर लावतो बसल्यानंतर सुचतं तुला एक काम so let's start this $102 million challenge, and I'm pretty much first of all I'm going to see the date, and I'm going to analyze my currencies, and then I am going to watch his analysis, and that is how I'm going to like go from swing trading to the day trading live. This is why in the world I got this idea in November. I could right now telling you my boy, no, I would be I will be I should be no should I would be in the yeah. Let's start.
Come back into that black line in order for me to be interested in the trade. So,
But
right now,
pause करतो मी आता. Brother, I'm going to prepare the coffee in this. Let's prepare it. करतो बंद करू ना गॅस 1 2 3 that is all. I have to wash the hands. Brother, let's prepare the coffee because now I'm feeling a lot more tired. So I'm just going to prepare the coffee like this. And my face is not getting included. I'm so thirsty right now. Can I drink this water? First of all, we're going to add the water in this. This is going to take this much water is sufficient. I will just reduce it more. Yeah. Because oh my god. Because I want to get quick kick, okay, ultra fast energy from this caffeine. The lesser the water, the faster the caffeine hit. The more the water, the more time it will take to dissolve caffeine into the what it is. I wanna show you this. That's it, brother. I just take the water and holy shit, this is a get out. This is a that was just a hand wiping cloth. Let's add. That's it, brother. Just a normal water and the coffee. That's it. That right there is my coffee recipe. I love Bale of Brew, I want to taste. I like the taste. You won't even believe. I feel when I taste that, I always feel like I'm in a McDonald's. But I drank the coffee. Good. That's it. 1 2 to 3 sips of water and a whole pack of coffee of 2 rupees. It's going to look like this. But it doesn't taste good at all. But it does give the full-fledged productivity pretty much within right after we drink. That is why I need the productivity right now. I am feeling tired right now, a lot more tired. So let me just do this pretty quick. You're able to see me? I did, of course. That's why I'm body. My face is I'm shooting with the back camera. I'm just steering it well so that the coffee will get mixed up with that. Spoon, I hate the spoon voice, but it is what it is. I should be sitting like this, but just because of camera, I don't know the camera where it's ending. Yeah, looks like that it is sufficient. I also feel like I'm fully dehydrated, so I'm also going to drink a sip of water at every 10 minutes interval. Let's start 3. It's completely mixed. I'm not even going to taste it. I'm just going to drink it right away. Okay, 3. Are you ready? I want to wipe. I'm just going to drink it in one go because it doesn't taste good at all. At all. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Fuck. I mean, this does taste good. Not that bad. But the Nescafe, if you drink like this, man, you will vomit. I like this brew thing. Yeah, the powder is also so small, it just gets dissolved very quickly. So I will just keep it right here. And this is our dustbin. A very small dustbin. This face should be off, not should be on. One I kept there because I want to reuse it at now. Pretty much. Let's start doing the trading. First, all I can do. So first of all, I can see the Alex is in a lot. Not good trades in his. I wasted that water. Alex is taking a very high risk trade because the weekly aims to the area of interest weekly need to create the doji candle, but he's still taking the trade. That is what I need to see. That is what the learnings for me is going to be. That is how we do it. One time. Let's do it. Do the trading study. Hello there. Exactly. Look at this. This is what activity looks like. So this is what the swing. This was the high probable cause weekly have done that and that. And I mean, not practicing. We are going Alex Gonzalez. 100. Oh, look at this once more. I mean, this was a beautiful trade. Okay, created the higher high. Now we're going to weak into this, and now we're going to come up till here. Take profit was made. Then do the trade, and then comes down. Now, in Alex Alice, the Alex is here. So I am as well. So look, this was the first trade he took that where was knowing by just coming to the area of interest. We should never. We should wait for one candle, one weekly candle to till he done one loss. No, he done, but he was in profit, and then he got. Then the daily was also daily also comes to previous like area of interest area, but this was not valid. This mean go up come down because weekly need to create the dozy. So this was now so guys I can able to see that I was taking the extremely ultra high probable that like once a month or once that is the reason I'm getting now I'm standing. Look at this. We could easily take the trade over here and right up till here. We could easily make almost one issue. Oh, guess what? This is and no, this only the piece of puzzle we were missing about trading. When my eyes are red, I haven't the replay. I'm literally feeling like time is 11. Guess what? I'm a man of not a word of man doesn't man of word. I said I'm going to wake up at 6 o'clock as well, so I should be there. 5 hours, okay, but that makes day tired. I don't want tiredness at all. Tiredness is going to come. It is going to come after the coffee is going to get over. So that is the reason reading myself naturally fresh rather how it goes. But now I'm understanding brother. I was missing into my life. Look at then games and again the GB pack was also again this was going to create a dozy. I wait a minute. Have I right here? Probably yes. So I have BP cat. I have written over here. What I weekly is weekly dozy. I have written at there and see the timing. Now this trade I mean crazy yeah. Like we should not take trade. Like we should not do the any trading activity in till he done the trading activity over here. He make one in one currency lose one currency sorry another currency crazy. And within 1 week, technically, he's saying that course one thing now out of the kind out of the rule of his trading plan. I'm in red per week, but now took 2 trades. So this is what it is. Things to do. I'm still broke, and so that is the reason. But I should I listen to this song? One song, and that is good. Like I need that to like release the sleep. Once we done that, then we are going to start the second week of $102 million. So look at this. No, let it play. I don't give a fuck. Look at this was a swing trading. One loss. If I use in trading strategy, see the how much loss you're going to get for this. This is our first loss. PCAD, this loss, and Euro G. There was no trade. Actually, Euro USD, there was no trade over here. And ZD, the third loss. Actually, we got little grab, but this is what it is. I mean, we got loss. Yes, you saw this, you saw this. Maybe not. It's a good thing. But wait, I'm understanding the why I'm fucking speaking so loud because Granny is sleeping. So I'm understanding the scenario, man. Doing swing trading, cool, But the way the day trading is looking like, the Alex doing, is super cool because we're getting so much opportunities and we're making fucking money in that. Because, yeah, I mean, that's cool. Oh God. I mean, technically, if I wanted to take a trade in swing trading, we will be just taking one trade, right, in the whole week. So that way, the type of the day trading he is doing, I want to learn it, I want to practice it, and then we can able to start again. We can able to start making money from the market. So doing swing trading is, yeah, we can make the money, but it's so slow. I don't want to make money when I am in my 60s doing the. That is why Alex haven't used his own swing trading strategy to make $100 to $1 million, right? He used the day trading of his own strategy to make $100 to $1 million challenge. Look at the difference, and he's teaching how to do swing trading. He's not teaching how to do day trading, the one which he used to flip the 100 to million. And that is what I'm doing right now. I have understand the whole scenario. I can see the whole picture in front of me. Like, what is this? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. Every single thing is blurred in front of me. I'm so fucking tired. Yeah, now it got clear. After 10 minutes we'll probably will sleep. See, my tongue is also getting heavy. So probably what the fuck we should be doing at 10 minutes. What's this? I mean, this is only the lectures we have. These the, these are the literally the golden lectures. Let's do this.